Have you ever cut open a passion fruit and wondered how something so small could be bursting with so much flavor and goodness? With its vibrant aroma and sweet tart taste, that's just the beginning. Get ready to be amazed. Hi everyone. Whether you're new or returning, welcome to PureHealth through food. Originally native to South America, passion fruit was named by Spanish missionaries who saw symbolism in its flower representing the Passion of Christ. Over time, it traveled across the globe, becoming a beloved fruit in tropical and subtropical regions for both its taste and healing properties. Passion fruit is rich in fiber, vitamin C, antioxidants, and plant compounds that support digestion, immunity, and heart health. Its crunchy seeds and juicy pulp make it a refreshing addition to smoothies, desserts, and even savory dishes, while helping you feel satisfied and energized. Beyond its flavor, passion fruit supports overall wellness by helping balance blood sugar, promoting gut health, and providing a calming effect. It's a delicious way to nourish your body while enjoying something naturally sweet. One of passion fruit's most powerful benefits lies in its support for gut health. It's especially rich in dietary fiber, which helps feed beneficial gut bacteria, improve digestion, and promote regular bowel movements. This fiber also helps slow digestion, keeping you fuller longer and supporting steady energy levels throughout the day. Passion fruit is a natural immune booster, thanks to its high vitamin C and antioxidant content. These nutrients help strengthen the body's defenses, protect cells from oxidative stress, and support faster recovery. Adding passion fruit to your diet is a simple, flavorful way to help your immune system stay resilient year-round. The antioxidants found in passion fruit such as vitamin A and plant polyphenol play an important role in skin health. They help fight inflammation, support collagen production, and protect the skin from environmental damage. This makes passion fruit beneficial not only for inner health, but also for maintaining a healthy, glowing complexion. Passion fruit provides potassium, an essential mineral that supports balanced blood pressure. Potassium helps regulate sodium levels, relax blood vessels, and promote healthy circulation. When enjoyed regularly, passion fruit may contribute to stronger cardiovascular function and reduce strain on the heart. If you're learning something new about passion fruit, give us a like. It really encourages us to create more videos like this. Passion fruit also contains unique plant compounds such as polyphenol and harmon, which contribute to its calming and protective effects on the body. Polyphenol help reduce inflammation, manage blood sugar levels, and support healthy cholesterol, while harmon has been linked to relaxation and improved sleep quality. Together, these compounds make passion fruit not only nourishing, but also supportive of metabolic balance and overall well-being. For men, passion fruit provides essential nutrients that support vitality and heart health. Its antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, while fiber aids digestion and cholesterol balance. Potassium supports healthy blood pressure, and vitamin C helps strengthen immune function as part of a balanced diet. During pregnancy, passion fruit can be a nourishing addition when consumed in moderation. It provides fiber to support digestion, vitamin C to help immune function, and antioxidants that protect cells from stress. However, pregnant women should enjoy passion fruit as part of a varied diet, avoid excessive intake, and consult a healthcare provider if they have allergies, digestive sensitivities, or specific dietary concerns. Recent scientific research highlights passion fruit's potential role in supporting heart and metabolic health. A 2025 clinical trial found that consuming Brazilian passion fruit helped reduce inflammation and influenced pathways involved in cholesterol and glucose metabolism. Additional studies suggest its fiber and polyphenol may support blood sugar balance and promote a healthy gut microbiome. Passion fruit is incredibly versatile and easy to enjoy. You can scoop out the fresh pulp and eat it on its own, blend it into smoothies, stir it into yogurt or oatmeal, or use it as a natural topping for desserts and salads. Its sweet tart flavor adds a refreshing twist while delivering powerful nutrients in every spoonful. Can passion fruit be consumed every day? Yes, passion fruit can be enjoyed daily when eaten in moderation. 1 to 2 fruits a day can support digestion, immunity, and overall wellness without overloading the body with sugar. While passion fruit is safe for most people, those with latex allergies may want to be cautious, as reactions can sometimes occur. Individuals with sensitive digestive systems should start with small amounts due to its fiber content, and anyone managing blood sugar levels should monitor portions, especially when consuming juice or sweetened products. Passion fruit is a beautiful reminder that nature often packs powerful nutrition into the most vibrant foods. From supporting digestion and immunity to promoting heart and skin health, this tropical fruit offers benefits that go far beyond its bold flavor. Whether enjoyed fresh, blended, or grown right in your own backyard, passion fruit is a simple and delicious way to nourish your body and connect with the healing power of natural foods. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.